Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Xfinity Ocean, and today I'm very excited because I'm doing a video, my very first video about opening a squishy, and here it is, the squishy. If you hear that, well, harder. That is just a door. That was really just the door. Thing like that. So the squishy is a bread that I ordered, and it only costed so cheap. So I already opened the bag, and let me just take it off. It smells so bad. I don't know how to say it, but it's bad. So bad because it's a bread, and I didn't even see it said it smells like bread, real bread. And you had it in your hands and you smelled it. Well, because I got it from Wish store. My God, so cool. So slow rising. It's dead. It's so slow rising. Oh, it's even cooler when you open this thing, but it smells so bad, like bread. So, it's so squishy. I wish I could get this one from like the other face. There's a happy face of this one. Well, different faces. I wish I could get another one, but one that doesn't smell bad. Because I love squishies too, even slime and things like that. Sorry about not doing a lot of videos in this weekend. Well, the other one, not this one. Like the one that already passed. Yeah, it's because I didn't even have time, and now that I have, I order my squishy. Yeah, now I have a lot of time. Well, not time, like videos to make. I have one video in like waiting. So yeah, if you want me to do more squishy videos, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. So bye. Say bye. Okay, sorry, you're already dead. Bye.